Devyn, and I'm in Morocco. Today I want to learn about Moroccan food. In the Moroccan food, they have influence from a lot of different places. When I grow up, I want to be a chef, and I love learning about the foods in each country. Moroccan food is amazing. The flavors just explode in your mouth. Traditionally, the couscous is eaten by hand. You take a little bit of couscous, throw it up in your hand, and pop it into your mouth. I didn't complain. I like eating it with my hands. Did you know each little couscous grain resembles one good deed that they're going to do? We learned that every Friday in Morocco, everybody makes couscous because it's the day of rest. Smile invited us to his family home.
Smile took us to his neighborhood market to buy vegetables for our afternoon meal. He and his family decided that they were going to teach us how to make the national dish of Morocco, which is called couscous.
When we travel and people invite us into their home and we get to cook with them and share a meal around their table, it feels like a special experience.
After we got the vegetables at the market, we went back to our friend's house and they taught us how to make couscous.
I'm a kinesthetic learner, and when they told us to stick our hands into the couscous and rub oil into it, I was in heaven.
It's a pretty long process to make couscous. You gotta cook it, fluff it, cook it, fluff it, cook it, fluff it 3 times.
The couscous is being steamed by the vegetables that are under it. They steam the couscous for a long time. But it's so good. It's totally worth the effort.
For sure.
I loved making couscous with Smile's family.